In most rural areas in India, the ideology of patriarchy still serves to constrain and control the thoughts, movements and lives of women. Women still lack access to basic information and services that are needed for a healthy living. They are still vulnerable to gender violence like rape and have very limited knowledge on their reproductive and sexual rights, such as choices to contraception. In Jharkhand, a newly formed state in India, more than 80% of its large population of tribal women do not use any method of contraception. More than 33% of girls still get married before they are 18 years old. And it is either their husbands or their mothers-in-law who are the primary decision makers about their access to healthcare, which includes family planning methods. To enhance the reproductive health of couples, NEEDS has designed an intervention project changing attitude towards family planning services through increased male involvement. NEEDS has been working in 3 districts of Jharkhand. They are Sahibganj, Pakur and the Deoghar districts of the Santal Pargana region.
While working, we noticed that there are a lot of issues which are related to male engagement, because when we talk about, for example, family planning, it is women who are targeted for sterilization. When it talks about the whether the family has to have children, it is the male who decides, or family who decides, the female has almost no say. There is a huge gender discrimination, and participation of women at family level decision making related to reproductive health and rights are almost absent. Under the circumstances, bringing a change in the maternal and newborn health or reproductive rights issues, we found is impossible unless a man is actively engaged.
The increase in male involvement in family planning requires addressing the larger issues of men's supportive roles in their families and workplaces to promote gender equality, women's empowerment, and the sharing of child rearing and caring.
वैसे बैठे हमें कुछ काम धंधा नहीं है तो कोई परिवार को मदद करते हैं, खाना पकाने में मदद करते हैं। वो तो यहाँ खाना बनाता है, पानी थोड़ा सा ला दिए और कुछ बर्तन भी साफ कर दिए। वो तो कामयाब में है, तो उसको लिए कहाँ तकलीफ करेंगे?
The unique aspect of this intervention is the integration of 3 thematic areas: gender equality, couple communication, and family planning.
जो गांव देखते थे कि बच्चा रो रहा है और वह पुरुष उसको छोड़ दे रहा है, जब पूछते थे कि क्या इसका आप क्यों नहीं, कि ये तो माँ के काम है, हम क्यों करेंगे, लेकिन वही पुरुष आज जब देखते हैं तो उस बच्चे को गोदी में लेके खिलाते हैं.
In this intervention, males of ages between 15 to 35 have been targeted. The targeted groups have been identified, enrolled, and have been provided 90 minutes of group sessions once in every week for a period of 6 weeks for 6 modules.
आप लोग कंडोम का नाम सुने हैं? नहीं। ठीक है, तो हम बताएंगे कि कंडोम क्या है, सो किसको कहते हैं कंडोम.
The training has been provided by peer educators chosen from the same village so that the knowledge sustains in the community itself and the educators can be a referral point in the future also.
जब से ट्रेनिंग हुआ है मुझे बहुत कुछ जानकारी मिला हुआ है, जैसे मालाडी, कंडोम, और मुझे तो कंडोम मांगने में पहले शर्म लगता था, अब जाके मैं मेडिकल स्टोर में बेझिझक मांगता हूँ और लाता हूँ, जैसे सैया दीदी है उनसे भी मैं ले लेता हूँ.
Suitable participatory exercises such as role plays were used to promote healthy attitudes towards couple communication and also to discuss critical issues such as gender violence. This results in changes in the behavior of the participants.
पहला नाटक में आपसे यही देखें कि आप अपना पत्नी से कितना अच्छा बर्ताव किए हैं, कितना अच्छा से बात किए, समझे. उसका हमने देखा कि अच्छा आप संस्कारी लग रहे थे, समझे. अब वही दिमागदार वही आदमी खुद आपकी बार दारू पी के आते हैं तो ना कंडोम का बात करते हैं ना दवा की बात करते हैं, जबरदस्त करने लगते हैं.
The participation has enhanced on the couple communication, and that has created in taking decisions on basket of choices of contraceptives. Male become aware about the HIV/AIDS. Female also become aware of HIV/AIDS through these sessions. So their risk behaviors they also started taking care of.
discussions on subjects such as ideal family and birth spacing were held to promote the right attitude towards the health of the mother and the child.
2 बच्चे के बीच अंतराल 3-3 साल का होना चाहिए।
उससे बच्चा तंदुरुस्त रहेगा
मतलब स्वस्थ रहेगा।
Another meaningful outcome experienced was enhanced knowledge on reproductive health issues, leading to an increase in the uptake of family planning services.
हमार पति गेले ट्रेनिंग में तब वहाँ बता लेता गोलियाँ यानी ये सही आजुरा खाइए तो 3-4 साल के अंतर रह के खातिर हमू खाइए और रहे बच्चों ठीक रहे ओकरा में रहते हमू ठीक रहे।
माला चक्र के बारे में आप लोग जानते हैं, सुने हैं माला चक्र का नाम आप लोग?
Another impact that has been noticed is marked improvement in the basket of choices for contraceptives that has eventually led to changes in family planning practices where women are equal partners in the choice of contraceptives.
One of the focus that we also put into this male engagement is kind of a planned parenthood, ensuring that the women has really all rights in terms of taking care of their health. And that is why we also see that the participation of women now at health institution level also gradually increasing. Now the male is taking their wives to the health facilities.
जो बच्चा हमको हो गया, अब बच्चा हमको लेना ही नहीं है, ठीक है, तो हम बंध्याकरण करवा लेंगे या पुरुष नसबंदी करवा लेंगे।
Earlier emphasis was mostly on female sterilization as vasectomy was rare, but with the intervention of needs, lots of males are coming forward to get vasectomy done.
परिवार नियोजन के बारे में जानकारी लेने के बाद हम दोनों ने सलाह परामर्श किया और अपना नसबंदी कराया।
गांव में चेंजिंग देखने मिल रहा है कि वह महिला को न करा के खुद ब खुद अपना नसबंदी करा लेता है। हमने पूछा ये क्या, बोला कि महिला का होता है तो उसको 10 दिन बेड रेस्ट देना पड़ता है, लेकिन हम कराते हैं तो 10 मिनट आधा घंटा में तो हम अस्पताल से घर आते हैं और फिर उसी तरह काम करते हैं, मुझे कुछ प्रभाव नहीं पड़ता है।
If we really look it in a long-term perspective, we'll see that girl child will be in school at least for 10 years. We'll see that early pregnancy is reduced, and which will create a huge change not only on domestic violence, not only on gender discrimination, but also reduce the maternal deaths, it will reduce the newborn death. But here, the men and boys has a huge role to play.
The training impacts clearly indicate that motivating men has encouraged meaningful partnership and strengthened the effort to improve the health and prosperity of the woman and the family.